Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple price alerts on CoinMarketCap. If you want to set different price alerts for your favorite coins, let me walk you through it. First, open your CoinMarketCap app and tap on the watchlist tab. Then, click the plus symbol icon to add a coin to your watchlist. I'll go ahead and select one and tap selected coins. Next, click on the coin you've just added, then tap the notification bell icon. Here, you can set your target price or choose to be alerted by percentage. After entering your preferred value, tap Set Price Alert. To add another alert, tap the notification icon again, then click Add and set up your next price alert. You can repeat this process to set multiple alerts. If you're using the same value, it may not appear as separate alerts, but if you use different values, you'll see multiple alerts listed. You can also swipe left on any alert to delete it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe.